Home to some of the best diving in the Philippines, this destination is known for its world-class muck dives, wide array of rare critters, and unique blackwater diving experience. Welcome to episode 15 of Bluewater Travel's 50 Amazing Adventures. Today, we're exploring Anilao. We've recently arrived home from 2 back-to-back photo workshops in Anilao, which is located about 3 hours drive south of Manila on the island of Luzon in the Batangas province of the Philippines. Virtually every variety of juvenile fish and critter imaginable can be found here. Shrimp, crabs, nudibranchs, small squid, cuttlefish, frogfish, hairy frogfish, pipefish, seahorse, rhinopias, wonderpuss, mimic, and blue ring octopus. Oh, the list goes on and on and on. Anilao is home to incredibly trained and knowledgeable dive guides who will blow your mind with their ability to point out the rarest, smallest, and weirdest critters. If you're a passionate macro photographer, Anilao should absolutely be your next stop. Join our upcoming photo workshop or let us tailor your personal muck diving holiday. Comment below and Bluewater Travel will arrange everything for you. And join us next week for another amazing adventure.